The key to the whole thing is low heat. Okay, so you want to make sure that your heat is low. I mean, take a look right here. You see how low that is, man. That's on low heat. And what we're gonna do is just be patient and use butter. Okay, you can use oil. You can use avocado oil. You could use whatever you want, whatever type of oil you want. But the idea is the same: low heat, and let it just kind of slowly sunny side up. Okay, real slow. You'll see how beautiful it comes out. Just nice and smooth. So give it a little time. Make sure you properly butter up the pan. Make sure you properly, um, you know what I mean? It should slide like this. You see that? See how it's sliding? That's how you know you got enough butter in there. You got enough oil in there. You want to be able to slide. You don't want it to stick. And we're going to do real low heat. This way, it does not burn. You'll see when I flip it over easy, it won't burn. Okay. You see how this is sliding in here? You know what I'm saying? We got plenty of it. And notice because of the low heat, I'm still got it on low heat. It's not gonna burn. You know, so nice and beautiful.